Hey guys, welcome back. In this episode, I just want to showcase my 27th item that I got for my 2020 Jeep Gladiator Sport S. It's right in front of you, below. There it is. It's basically the Wolfstorm bumper, front bumper. I picked this one because I like basically the look of it, and these bars right here, they do extend inward and outward, so when I'm going off-roading I can put them all the way in, and then when I'm just regular street driving, I just put them out so they can sort of protect the tire area, the joints. But yeah, that's basically it. My 27th item, their Wolfstorm front bumper system. Thanks for joining me. Till next time. Peace.